Hello folks, and welcome back to my studio. The last time I was here, I had just received my SSL UF1, and I was contemplating on where I was going to place it, because it meant I had to make some rearrangements on my main studio desk over here. I used to have the Behringer unit, the X-Touch one, which was my door controller at the time. I had it where my roadcaster is now. So I did some shuffling around and I decided to put the SSL UF1 in the middle and have my drum brute impact and the roadcaster on either side of the unit. For those who are not familiar with the UF1, it's a single fader control surface. It has customizable keys, customizable soft keys, which allow you to map things. So you can control things like plugin parameters, sends, automation, stuff like that. So that replaced my Behringer X-Touch one. But today I have now also taken delivery of the SSL UC1, and I'm going to unbox that now and find a place for it on my table. So that's the UC1 box open. We've got some documentation in here as usual. I'll just put that aside. And then we've got the UC1 itself in there. So I'm just going to bring that out of the box and take a closer look. So that's a closer look at the UC1. I've just taken it out of the box, and it also has some accessories in here, which I'm going to remove and show to you. So there they are. So there is the UC1 itself. It's actually a plugin controller. So you've got the EQ section on this side. You've got the bus compressor on this side, and then you've got the compressor on this side. And once it's the software is loaded up, any plugin you put in there will be controlled directly from this unit using the controllers here, the buttons and the knobs. So that's it. Let's see what accessories it comes with now. I'll just put this away for now. It also has a few accessories. And that's the power cable. This is the European one, the 3-pin. It looks like there's another power cable here, depending on where you are in the world. So, there. But I'll be using the other one. There's an Allen key as well. I think that's for fixing the and some screws. That'll be to screw on the support. So these legs these two legs or feet will go on the back, so you can elevate the UC1 at an angle. So these screws and the Allen key are here for that purpose. You also have a USB-C to C cable here and a USB to USB-C cable here. So those are all the accessories that come with it. And of course, there's the power supply unit itself. So that's the power supply unit. And that completes all the accessories that come with the UC1. So there they are. Now I'm going to have to make some space on my table. My plan for now is to move the roadcaster where the UF1 is at the moment, and then I'll move my drum brute impact over to where my PreSonus Atom is. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll come back so you see the final layout. So I've already moved the drum brute from where it was before. That space is now empty, and I've moved it over to my other table that's next to my RC505 Mark II looper. The PreSonus Atom was where the drum brute now is. I'm going to have to find some other space for that. So now I'm going to rearrange this table and decide whether I want to put the UC1 next to the UF1, or whether I'm going to put the Rodecaster Pro in the middle, then have the UC1 on this side and the UF1 on this side. I'll be back again soon. So, as you can see, the studio is in a bit of a mess. Well, I tried to get the wiring done and the UC1 properly placed where I want it to be. But hopefully everything will look much neater by the time I'm done. Okay folks, so after some extensive fiddling around, I've finally come up with my my setup, the one I think is best suited for me. I've got my UF1 over here where the Rodecaster used to be. So I've got the UF1 over here, and I've got the UC1 over here where the drum brute impact used to be. And then I've got my Rodecaster Pro 2 in the middle. And what I did is, to make it look almost like a console, I've angled them so that they all, you can see it almost seems like one unit. I've angled them all to the same level. And I think it looks pretty cool, even if I say so myself. So I've got the buses. These are some of the plugins that came with the UC1 and the UF1. I've got them on there. They're opened up. This is the SSL 360 on there. So yeah, so I think it's all working fine now. No regrets so far. Everything seems really nice and cool. So thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.